Hey, this is Steven at C Performance, showing off this small block Chevy that we've just put together. We have a 350 block that we've put in a stroker crank. It's a 3 7/8 stroke, so this comes out to 396 cubic inch. And it's got Brodex 180cc, the Iron Killer 180s is what they call them. And it has H-beam 6-inch connecting rods, hydraulic roller cam. It's got chromoly rocker arms and chromoly comp cams, push rods and guide plates. We've used a blower shop billet 671 blower. He wanted it extra tall, so we have a 2-inch billet spacer here, 2-inch billet spacer just under the carburetors. These are quick fuel 650 double pumpers. And this jewelry is from the blower shop as well. When it goes on the car, we're going to be using serpentine. And it's a little bit of a make it fit type of thing, because usually with the blower belt, there's not enough room for 2 belts. So we're putting one 6-rib serpentine style belt. That's a type 2 power steering pump. We have a billet alternator and bracket from March Performance that's going to fit up in here. And I'm just kind of playing with ways to make the adjustment and stuff work on that. So that'll come a bit later. We have a Holley mechanical fuel pump and these Moroso fabricated valve covers that were on his last engine. And this is going into a friend's car. It's a 1971 Chevy Monte Carlo. It has a 6-speed Richmond transmission and 411 gears and posi in the rear end. So this should make that car move pretty good on the street. So it's in the body shop right now. When it gets painted and over to my shop here, we'll be installing this for Anthony and hopefully have it running for the summer coming up.
Tell him about the blower. 600 horsepower. With the blower. The blower, man.